Eh, because siguro sobrang proud ko, gusto ko i-ano, I think it's about time because like Bisaya language is so beautiful and sobrang sarap niya pakinggan especially pag gumawa ako ng kanta na Bisaya. So, personal opinion ko lang naman and yan. That's all.
Actually,
Bisaya is beautiful. That's why it's important also kasi madami naman tayong madami tayong dialect and language sa Pilipinas. So, ayun. Siguro it's a thing to unite people kasi hindi mo naman kailangan intindihin yung bawat Hindi mo naman kailangan maintindihan yung lyrics ng bawat kanta. It's just how you feel it because you don't try to understand music, you feel it.
that's true.
So, yeah, it's
I mean,
beautiful.
we see other countries every day. Like, let's say, Korean acts come here to the Philippines. We have Filipinos singing in Korean the whole time. We're moving towards a stage where we'll see acts go to other countries and they'll start singing in Tagalog, even Bisaya. It can happen.